Have you ever wondered, no matter how much you earn, the sense of satisfaction vanishes as quickly as it arrives? It's not just about your bank balance, it's about the mindset behind it. I am Rajesh, and throughout my journey as a chartered accountant and finance enthusiast, I've seen firsthand how chasing status symbols and luxury can trap us in a cycle of endless dissatisfaction. Today, let's explore why keeping a low profile or even looking poor might be the secret to the real happiness and long-term financial freedom. Reason 1. Breaking the cycle of permanent dissatisfaction. Every time you hit a milestone, whether it's a promotion, a new car, or moving into a fancier apartment, the initial excitement fades out very quickly. In fact, you might soon find yourself comparing your upgrade with someone else's. Before you know it, the joy is replaced by the urge to chase the next big thing. This is what the psychologists call the hedonic treadmill. Imagine running a treadmill at your local gym. No matter how fast you run, you never really move forward. Research says that once our basic needs are met, whatever additional wealth we acquire will only create a new normal rather than boosting our happiness. By choosing to maintain a modest appearance, you free yourself from this relentless chase and set the stage for lasting contentment. Reason 2. Regaining freedom of choice. When I first entered the corporate world, I got caught up in maintaining a flashy image, wearing branded clothes, expensive perfumes, and flaunting my latest gadgets like my iPhone, and dreaming of buying my car in my first year of joining my job. It sounds funny, doesn't it? From the outside, everything seemed very impressive, but in the background, I was burdened by rising expenses and the constant pressure to upgrade. For a time, I even compromised my true passions just to fit in. Then I realized that cutting the unnecessary luxuries, I could channel those funds into building my skills, investing in my future, and eventually transition from my unfulfilling job to one that truly resonated with me. Choosing to live modestly allowed me to reclaim my freedom and make choices that are aligned with my long-term goals, rather than just maintaining some temporary goods. Reason 3. Embracing simplicity and avoiding survival mode. In today's fast-paced world, more money often measures more expenses. Upgrading to a luxury car or a high-end smartphone might seem rewarding at first, but it invariably comes with hidden costs, maintenance, insurance, and the pressure of constant upgrades. This can push you into survival mode, where you're always anxious about covering your expenses rather than enjoying life. Einstein once noted that a calm and modest life brings more happiness than the relentless pursuit of success. Think about it. When you live simply, you widen the gap between your income and your expenses, which gives you the flexibility to take risks, explore new opportunities, or simply enjoy a peace of mind. Techniques like KonMari method, which encourages keeping only what sparks joy, aren't just for decluttering your home. They can also help simplify your finances. Reason 4. The power of authentic living. So often we tie our self-worth to the things we own or external validation, especially in Indian families where the peer pressure and the comparisons are so prevalent, and it is overwhelming. A study even showed that many people actually altered their lifestyle to impress others. But the true wealth isn't about flaunting your assets, it's about cultivating inner confidence and security. By embracing authenticity and focusing on what truly matters, that are your skills, your relationships, and your personal growth, you build deeper connections and a more resilient sense of self. This authenticity not only enhances your overall happiness, but it keeps you financially stable and disciplined. Conclusion. So, why should you look poor? This is because modesty isn't about depriving yourself. It's about liberating yourself from endless chasing, regaining control over your choices, and finding true happiness beyond your material possessions. If you enjoy these insights, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'm Rajesh Pireda signing off. Thank you so much for watching our video.